In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete and uninstall apps or games from your Nintendo Switch. It's going to work with the OG Nintendo Switch, Switch 2, whatever you might have, it's going to work with it. But if this guide has helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But start off on the home screen, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down all the way to the very bottom, select System Settings, just like so, and open this up. And once you're in System Settings, go ahead and scroll on the left-hand side menu until you see Data Management. Once you see Data Management, select it, open it up, and then hit Manage Software, and you'll see a list of all of your installed games and apps. Find whatever game it is. Let's say, it's this Metal Gear Solid 3 right here. Go ahead and select it, right, and then scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see Delete Software, just like so. Select it, hit delete again, and you'll see a message saying that deleting software is happening, and whenever it's finished, the game will be removed from your system. Now keep in mind, your save data will not be deleted unless you specifically remove it separately. So if you reinstall the game later, your progress will still be there. But that is it. That is how you can delete and uninstall apps or games on your Nintendo Switch. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.